Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the new buses that the JUTC is bringing in. Now the JUTC has been upgrading their buses. They're bringing in on average 100 new buses every year. And of that fleet, they have 197 compressed natural gas buses or CNG buses and 6 fully electric buses and 1 range extended electric vehicle. So recently the government brought in 4 new electric buses to make the total 6. And these buses, the CNG buses and electric buses, are better for the environment. Now we're driving through Fern Gully today, one of the most scenic places you will find in Jamaica. It's also an environmentally protected area. So these new buses definitely will help with the environment. Now this area, your trucks are not supposed to drive through it, so I'm not sure if that vehicle in front of us would meet the minimum requirement of the size truck not to drive through it, but the emissions from these vehicles can definitely affect this area. So we're going to give you an update on the electric buses in Jamaica. And also the government has ordered 100 new buses that should come sometime this year. Jamaica is modernizing its public transportation system through the introduction of electric buses. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is leading this transition as the government works to reduce fuel costs, lower pollution, and improve public transport. In 2023, Jamaica introduced its first fully electric public passenger bus. The bus was placed into service as part of a pilot program to test battery performance, charging systems, and operating costs in Jamaica's climate. The vehicle features low-floor boarding, wheelchair accessibility, security cameras, and modern monitoring systems. Since then, the program has expanded. In 2026, Minister of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications Darrell Vaz announced that the JUTC now deploys 204 alternative energy buses daily. The fleet includes 197 compressed natural gas buses or CNG buses, 6 fully electric buses, and 1 range extended electric vehicle. Electric buses provide several benefits for Jamaica. They reduce the use of imported diesel fuel, lower greenhouse gas emissions, reduce noise pollution, and may cost less to maintain than traditional diesel buses. This is important because Jamaica spends billions of dollars importing fuel each year. The government is also improving infrastructure to support cleaner transportation. A new natural gas facility was completed at the Spanish Town Depot in 2025 to fuel alternative energy buses operating from Portmore and Spanish Town. Although challenges remain, including charging infrastructure and high purchase costs, electric buses represent an important step toward cleaner energy and modern public transportation in Jamaica. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think about these electric buses. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.